Your overall winner, Natalie Norman, her time, 2:13.02, and her partner, Jasmine Andrews. Ladies, you're more than welcome to go to the white tent across the street and get your t-shirts. And we're off for a fair start. Your competitors, Brian Barney from the University of Cincinnati, Andrew Gustave from Spring Arbor, Matt Peters from Wright State, Clay Dixon from Morehead State, Matt Orlando from Xavier, Hunter Heaton competing unattached, J.J. Weber from Northern Kentucky University, Banjor Musa from Spring Arbor, Dominique Anderson from Shawnee State, Eric Johnson from Cedarville, and Connor Bouchard from Xavier. Clay Dixon, your early leader, has one lap to go.
7, 8, 9.
Come on, Clay. Hang in there, buddy. Hang in there, buddy. Come on. He's locked. Stretch it out, Clay. Let's go! Shucks. Come on, Clavey.
And 200 meters to go. Coming down the home stretch. Hayden, your winner. 1:55.63 Hayden's time.